Anyway, in his Tika, Vishnu says that as soon as one chants Shuddhanam. So now, from what our acharyas are telling, there's two stages of chanting, Aparadnam and Shuddhanam. I looked up myself on folio this concept of Prem Nam. Like as you mentioned, you said there's Bhava Nam, Prem Nam. We have this kind of sequential, logical, Western calculation, progress, brain, Step one. Follow step one, then step two, and then step three. And then now install the program. Okay. Go back. Okay, now step three. No. So sometimes, transcendence is not linear. It's unidirectional. Linear means like this, unidirectional means everywhere. Like we say, where is Vrindavan? It's there, it's up, it's down, it's everywhere, it's out, it's in. It's a dham, it's a place, it's a realm, a state of being, a state of consciousness, a reality. It's not a planet, floating in space. Oh, there it is, Goloka, okay, land the ship, okay, any monkeys down there? Be careful, we don't want to land on any monkeys, They're coming down with a rocket ship. Watch out, there's some monkeys. Okay. And they have some siren, and the monkeys run away. And the spaceship lands in Goloka. And a little door comes down, and you go down the stairs, and there's dust and Chintamani and Surabhi cow and everything. They're taking pictures and send back to NASA, We saw the Surabhi cows, and there's I saw some blue people went by, and some golden people. Some guys were colored green, and some of the guys were colored red. Oh, I thought the Martians were green. Oh, they come in all colors up here. This is Goloka, Vrindavan. There's some colored boys are red, and some are green, Haryali, and some are saffron. Wow, it's an amazing place. And that, the news. No, it's not like that. It's not like that. So the stages are like this. There's Namaparad, we're chanting with Namaparad. Then we finally and then someone might say, how come I'm chanting the holy name for so long, so many years or so many lifetimes, and prema is not coming? Because it says that Shuddhanam leads to prem. You chant. Basically, there's two stages, Aparadnam and Shuddhanam. And Shuddhanam becomes more and more pure, just like our bhakti becomes. We have love for God from the beginning. In the beginning, when we get the seed of love from Guru. It's called Bhakti Bij. From Krishna Guru, Bhakti Lata Bij. So that's a small amount of bhakti, means bhav and prem. It's all the same. Bhakti, bhav, and prem, it's all the same. So now it has to develop. That's why Lord Chaitanya uses the analogy of a lata, a creeper. Creeper sprouts, and then has a leaf, and then a flower, and then a fruit. So the fruit, of course, is prem, but then the bud is bhav, and the leaves are nishta and rati, sakti, and all these things.